line extending from 11 miles southwest of Columbus to 11 miles southwest of Spartanburg to 15 miles southeast of Lawrence, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Gaffney, Lawrence, Union, Clinton, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Woodruff, Duncan, Lyman, and Tacolet. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Lawrence, Spartanburg, and Union.